Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to use Instagram name tag or QR code. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three bars on top right corner and tap on QR code. And here you will see your QR code or name tag. We have a previous video of how to make a QR code or name tag. So do check it out. Now tap on the share icon on top right corner to share your name tag or QR code with your friends through various social media streams so that your friends can follow you on Instagram. When one of your friends has sent his QR code or name tag so that you can follow him on Instagram, tap on Scan QR code at the bottom of the screen and a QR code scanner will open. Now place it on top of the QR code and it will find his account. And that's how you can use name tag or QR code on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.